Step by step, create your setup to start earning online. 1. Basic equipment. You likely already have what you need. If not, here's the essentials. Item: what you need. Notes: device, a laptop or desktop. Basic specs are fine. For content creation, aim for at least 8 GB RAM. Internet stable connection, at least 10 amps for uploads or downloads. Smartphone option 8 for photos, videos, or managing apps on the go. Headphones and mic optional but helpful for calls, voiceovers, or recording videos clearly. 2. Choose your workspace. Set up a space where you can focus. It doesn't need to be fancy. Tips for your space: quiet, comfortable, and well-lit. Decluttered desk or table. Good chair equals long-term health. Bonus: add a plant, a motivational quote, or a whiteboard. 3. Create your online presence. This will depend on the earning method you choose. Examples for freelancers: create a Fiverr or Upwork profile, set up a portfolio site, use free tools like Card, Notion, or Google Sites. For content creators, start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or Instagram. Create a basic branding kit: name, logo, colors, using Canva. For online stores, set up Shopify, Etsy, or Gumroad store. Create your product listing and images. For install or bookmark key tools, here are some free tools to kickstart your productivity. General tools: Google Doc, Sheets, writing, tracking, Canva, graphic design, Grammarly, writing assistance, Zoom, virtual meetings, Trello, Notion, task management, content creation, CapCut, InShot, video editing, Mobile Ob Studio, screen recording, Audacity, voice recording, freelancing, PayPal-Wise, Payoneer for receiving payments, Google Drive, store work and share files. 5. Secure your work. Use Google Drive or Dropbox for backups. Turn on 2FA, two-factor authentication on all accounts. Use a password manager, for example, Bitwarden. LastPass. Final checklist for your setup: laptop or PC, internet access, quiet workspace, tools or apps installed, profiles created on chosen platform, a notebook or app for tracking your daily progress.